Chair, I just want to be voted as no, because my life experiences have always taught me to never say never. Thank you.
Thank you, Representative. Are there any other comments? Representative Williams.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Just briefly, Representative Castett said would never be an option.
Correct.
State income tax. So that basically leaves us with one option, which is increasing sales tax. You know, that's our major revenue. I read an article, I think it was yesterday or Sunday's paper, where the comptroller had spoke up in East Tennessee and talked about how he feels we're going to be in a lot of trouble with our revenues as they're currently coming in, and the economy is picking up, but revenues, even though we're over budget, but that's because we were, and we should have been, very conservative in our estimates. Do you have any idea for any other options for raising revenue? Or
I believe to me, that's a word that's not of interest to me, because when economic times are tough, we as government are going to go and take more money from the taxpayers when they're having a hard time to get by. So to me, that's not an option. But with that said, if you look at what other states are doing, there is a plethora of options to and may I use the cuss word, raise more funds from the taxpayers. So you're not, and we are not limited to sales tax and to the taxing of income. There are other options that bring in a lot of revenue.
Okay, thank you. Could you define plethora? What was that word you used?
I don't know. It's a nickel word, and I'm afraid to define the definition to it.
You got that from Three Amigos, didn't you?
See.
Plethora.
Plethora.
What does that mean?
Multiple.
El Guato or whatever. Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you. Are there any other comments? And by the way, my sons have used that word on me on many occasions since that movie. They have a plethora of options. Are there any other comments? Call for the question. Seeing no more comments, then, all those in favor say aye. All opposed, no. The ayes have it. The resolution goes to finance.